After 18 months, the van is finally ready. We have 2,500 miles until we reach our destination. Where are we going? Karpathos, a quiet island southwest of Rhodes. Why are we going? Because the Meltemi winds are blowing and we need to sail. It's time to leave the UK. An early start, 4 AM. Our ferry is from Dover to Dunkirk. Years of planning finally happening, realisation sinking in as the white cliffs shrink into the distance. Our first milestone destination, Munich. Thank you.
Thank you. So this morning was a bit of a shock. Woke up at 4 o'clock this morning, and it was actually not the journey down wasn't too bad, was it? So yeah, we were able to get an earlier ferry, which was good. So we'll get to Dunkirk 2 hours earlier than we had originally planned for, which is really good.
Yeah.
Is it time for coffee now?
You want a coffee?
Yes, please.
Yeah, okay.
So a bit of an update. We are now heading across to Germany. I'll show you on the map. So we started out Dunkirk over here, made our way across, following kind of this scenic route here, and then we're going to head across, kind of skim over the top of Luxembourg over here, and then we'll end up we're heading for Bitburg. So that's where we're aiming to get to around 6 o'clock this evening. So it's been a long day of travel. But yeah, we're looking forward to chilling out, having some food and having a little explore. It has been quite rainy today. So we left sunny England, and yeah, it pretty much started raining about half an hour after we arrived in Belgium.
Yeah, it's pretty quick.
And then it's been non-stop rain. So we're hoping that we might be able to get out of the van and have a little walk this afternoon. So yeah, we'll let you know.
We've arrived at Beiersdorf, our first park up on the trip. A scenic spot with a walking trail around a lake passing an abandoned hotel. It's nice to stretch our legs after a long drive.
So it's now 10:56 and we're heading for Munich to meet our friend Martin. We found a little place to park up quite close to the city, called Summenhaus München. Probably butchered that. So yeah, we're going to head there. We're going to go and check it out first, and then we'll stay there if it's any good. If not, we'll look to find somewhere else. And then
we've got options.
Yeah, we've got a few different options. And then we are. Well, Martin lives in Munich, so he's gonna show us the sights.
Yeah, a little personal tour guide.
Yeah, so he's gonna. Well, what did he say? Go for some food and some drinks.
Food and some drinks, yeah.
So we're looking forward to that. We are really, really enjoying the trip so far. I mean, we're only on day 2. It's been a lot of driving, but we both kind of just said how much we're enjoying it, and how much we really liked driving through Luxembourg and through Germany. They're just so easy. I mean, I haven't done any driving, so I can't really comment. But as a passenger,
it's just easy.
Yeah.
Like, the roads are good. The people on the road are nice.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, there was a lady last night who we parked up in the where we stayed last night, and we were just getting ready to go out of the van, and there was this bang, and then we were in the back of the van, and Ben stood up to look to see what it was, and the lady had closed our wing mirrors, but then she obviously saw Ben move in the back and realised she was at the wrong van, and she was mortified. So
yeah.
She promptly put the wing mirrors back out. Yeah.
She put the wind mirror in and then walked in front of the windscreen. We made eye contact. She shit herself, came straight back round, and then apologised and ran away. It was really weird.
There was about 5. Well, there was probably about 10 vans in the place where we parked yesterday, and all look very similar. So yeah, it was easy mistake to make. So we did a little run this morning, which was really nice. Only a few K, but it's nice to just get up and get moving, especially when you're going to be sat down all day. So we will catch up with you when we get to Munich. So it's now exactly 4 o'clock, and we've still got 46 minutes to go till we get to Munich. While Ben's been driving, I've been doing some researching, looking for places to go, and also looking at what the weather is going to be like.
Shit!
So yeah, we've noticed that this is what we're dealing with today, and it's going to be raining for the next week with thunderstorms as well. So we are thinking about changing our plan. Originally we had planned to go from Munich through the Austrian Alps, through the Dolomites, down to Lake Garda, and then down to Brindisi. But yeah, so we're thinking about changing that now, and we are thinking about just getting down to southern Italy as quick as we can, so that we can actually enjoy some sunshine and then get the ferry a week early from Brindisi to Igoumenitsa. How have you been finding driving today?
Long. I think it said 4 hours. 4 hours 8 minutes, and we set off at 9:30. We have stopped and we have hit traffic, but I think there's a lot of hills and the van's slow, and the sat nav, I think, assumes that we're going to be going 130 kilometres or whatever it is, and I'm really not doing that. So taking it steady, we'll get there. Munich at last, greeted by Martin with a cold beer, smiles all around. We met Martin in Langebaan, South Africa, while windsurfing there. Since then we have kept in touch, and also sailed together in Karpathos last summer, where we are heading now. We have simple goals while in Munich: drink German beer, eat German food, and convince our German friend to fly to Vasiliki in July to drink Greek beer and eat Greek food, and also windsurf.
How do you think he's doing? Oh, success.
it's a very solid performance.
Danke.
So, liebe Mitglieder, nun geht's jetzt auch hoch einsteigen.
Adding one?
Yep.
I think we should go to McDonald's and flip Big Macs.
I mean, gherkins on the ceiling. Alright. One more.
Almost.
That one's hard. What the fuck? Get more beer, man. It's raining. And it's cold. Right.
Everything away? Yeah, I think so.
They didn't sell beer in Istanbul?
About 8 degrees, isn't it?
Yeah, something like that.
Basically winter.
Yeah.
It's worse than winter. It's 6 degrees.
6?
Yeah. It's about to snow.
What's the difference between times and
What's the beer you had?
The beer is Hofbrau Original, which is a Münchner beer, GGA. Gebraut nach dem bayerischen Reimsgebot.
How do you rate out of 5?
Good, yeah. 4.
Here is the naked area.
Oh, okay.
So you see,
Perfect timing there.
there's usually one guy with a massive penis, and he has like also piercings in it.
Oh,
So
lovely.
you see his like piercings shining. It's beautiful. Must see. The mast. The mast see. And wherever you feel.
What is this? This is the brewery.
Have you had a good day?
Yeah, it's been a good day. Lots of sightseeing, lots of beer drunk, lots of food eaten, and lots of talking.
Very good.